To set up voice control for Shark vacuum cleaner, first of all we'll need two apps installed on our device. First one is Shark Clean, then we need the Google Home app. If you want to use Amazon app for Alexa, let me down in the comments of this video. I will try to make a tutorial for Alexa as well. In this tutorial will be strict to Google Home. So now when you have those two apps ready, make sure that you're also logged into your Shark account on your Shark app and you have your device added. Move to Google Home, and right here the step is to click on this plus button and create your home if you don't have it already. After that, when your home is ready, navigate to the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, select Home Settings, and here go for Works with Google. Now we need to click on a loop icon and look for the Shark app. Here it is, Shark Clean. We want to click on this app and click on Continue. Agree and continue. Log into your Shark account right here with your credentials. After that, you should be able to finish the setup. Pardon me for that. After that, you should be able to finish that setup, and then you can call out your Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google," and give a command to your robot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.